DJI is making waves once again, and 2025 is shaping up to be an epic year for drone lovers. From the much-hyped Mavic 4 series to the potential Air 4 and the sleek yet mighty Mini 5 Pro, DJI seems ready to redefine what's possible in the world of consumer drones. These upcoming releases promise serious upgrades for aerial photography and videography. So, let's dive into what's on the horizon and explore how these new drones could elevate the game. Things are about to get really exciting. A recently leaked promotional image of the DJI Mini 5 Pro has surfaced, revealing major technological advancements while maintaining its sub-250-gram weight classification. The Spanish-language marketing material, initially shared on the social media platform X, highlights several key upgrades, including the integration of LiDAR sensors and a potential 1-inch camera sensor. These enhancements signal a significant leap forward in DJI's ultralight drone lineup. One of the most notable improvements in the Mini 5 Pro is its potential 1-inch camera sensor, which represents a significant upgrade from the Mini 4 Pro's 1 by 1.3-inch sensor. A larger sensor typically results in superior image quality, enhanced low-light performance, and an expanded dynamic range, features that will appeal to both photographers and videographers. The gimbal system has also undergone a redesign, introducing vertical shooting modes specifically tailored for social media content creators. This functionality enables users to capture portrait-oriented footage natively, eliminating the need for cropping or post-production adjustments. Additionally, the camera now appears capable of tilting straight upward, a first for the Mini series. This new capability allows for more creative aerial shots, making it easier to capture tall structures and unique perspectives that were previously challenging to achieve. According to leaked specifications, the DJI Mini 5 Pro offers an impressive 25-kilometer transmission range and an extended flight time of up to 50 minutes on a single charge. This marks a substantial improvement over its predecessor, providing longer uninterrupted flights and reducing the need for frequent battery changes. A standout feature of the Mini 5 Pro is the addition of LiDAR-based obstacle avoidance technology. The drone is equipped with dual front-facing wide-angle sensors, along with 2 additional inward-facing black sensors, likely enhancing its ability to detect and avoid obstacles with greater accuracy. LiDAR technology significantly improves navigation in various lighting conditions, ensuring safer and more autonomous flight experiences. Furthermore, DJI has incorporated built-in audio recording, a unique addition that could benefit vloggers and content creators who want to include narration or ambient sounds directly in their footage. While external audio recording is generally preferred for professional productions, this built-in feature offers added convenience in certain situations. The DJI Mini 5 Pro brings several refined design elements aimed at improving flight stability and landing precision. It features precision landing sensors and an LED ground illumination system, enhancing visibility during nighttime landings and improving overall flight safety. While retaining the compact form factor characteristic of the Mini series, the Mini 5 Pro includes additional landing legs on both the main body and front arms. These refinements contribute to better stability and protection during takeoff and landing. One of the most exciting aspects of the Mini 5 Pro is its AI-powered tracking capabilities. With improved sensors and a more advanced camera system, the drone is expected to deliver enhanced subject tracking and autonomous flight modes. DJI appears to be positioning the Mini 5 Pro as the ideal tool for content creators, travelers, and professionals looking for high-quality aerial footage with minimal manual control. The AI-driven features will likely enhance intelligent flight modes, subject recognition, and automated cinematography, making it easier than ever to capture stunning shots effortlessly. Despite its cutting-edge advancements, DJI has managed to keep the Mini 5 Pro under the critical 250-gram weight limit. This is a significant engineering achievement, as it allows the drone to bypass stringent regulations in many regions, including the United States. Drones under 250 grams typically do not require registration with aviation authorities in several countries, making the Mini 5 Pro an attractive option for both hobbyists and professionals seeking a hassle-free flying experience. While DJI has yet to confirm official pricing, Industry experts speculate that the Mini 5 Pro will carry a higher price tag than its predecessor due to its array of premium hardware and software upgrades. However, the price increase is expected to be justified by the drone's advanced features, including its improved camera sensor, vertical shooting mode, AI-driven tracking, and enhanced flight capabilities. With its rumored 1-inch sensor, innovative gimbal system, AI-powered tracking, and extended flight performance, the DJI Mini 5 Pro is poised to set a new standard in the lightweight drone category. Designed with content creators, social media professionals, and drone enthusiasts in mind, it offers a perfect blend of portability, power, and cutting-edge technology. As the official launch approaches, anticipation continues to build for what could be DJI's most advanced mini-series drone to date. The wait is nearly over. DJI's highly anticipated Mavic 4 Pro is officially set to launch on April 24, 2025. This time, the leaks are coming from solid sources, not just unverified online rumors. Unlike the early speculation from unknown insiders, we now have reliable details confirming major upgrades in design, camera technology, battery life, and charging speed. DJI is making big moves with a triple camera system, a revolutionary 360-degree gimbal, and extended flight time. But what's sparking the most discussion? Pricing and availability, particularly for US buyers who might run into customs issues. Let's dive into what we know so far. According to leaks from Jasper Ellens and Drone XL, the Mavic 4 Pro will feature a 3-camera setup with 28mm, 70mm, and 168mm focal lengths, giving pilots better zoom capabilities and greater versatility for both photography and videography. Another major upgrade is 6K video recording, made possible by a larger sensor than the one found in the Mavic 3 Pro. While DJI has yet to confirm the exact sensor size, it's clear they're aiming for a significant boost in image quality. A surprise addition? Electronic ND filters. Instead of manually swapping ND filters, users can adjust exposure settings digitally, making it easier to capture great footage in changing light conditions. One of the most exciting leaks is the new 360-degree rotating gimbal, which promises smoother motion, enhanced wind resistance, and true vertical video recording, a huge plus for content creators. Battery life is also improving, with an estimated 52-minute flight time. In real-world use, we're likely looking at 45 to 48 minutes, but that's still an upgrade from the Mavic 3 Pro's 46-minute rating. DJI is also ramping up charging speed. The drone is expected to support a 240-watt charger, allowing users to fully charge 3 batteries in just 90 minutes, a game-changer for those who need long flight sessions. It's not just the drone getting an upgrade. DJI is also rolling out a new RC Pro 2 controller. This refreshed version will feature a 7-inch tilting touchscreen for better usability and improved brightness for outdoor viewing. This premium controller is expected to be bundled in the high-end Creator Combo, providing professionals with an ergonomic, feature-rich experience. So, how much will the Mavic 4 Pro cost? Here's the expected pricing. Standard Mavic 4 Pro with RC2 controller, $2,250. Fly More Combo includes extra accessories and batteries, $3,200. 512 GB Creator Combo includes DJI RC Pro 2 controller for $1,400. With these prices, the Mavic 4 Pro is competing with high-end cinema drones, positioning itself as a serious tool for professionals. Leaks aren't just coming from insiders. TikTok has unexpectedly become a source of Mavic 4 Pro leaks. Thanks to Maro Tandoy, we've seen alleged sample images showcasing sharpness and excellent dynamic range. Meanwhile, another leaker, Yaya, claims the Mavic 4 Pro will feature 24 times zoom capabilities. The big question is, how much of that is optical zoom versus digital cropping? While early footage looks promising, we'll need real-world tests to confirm just how effective the zoom is. FCC filings in China also confirm that the Mavic 4 Pro will support 100-watt and 240-watt charging, making it one of DJI's fastest charging drones ever. The new parallel charging hub will let users charge multiple batteries at once, further enhancing efficiency for professional pilots. With the launch just weeks away, the DJI Mavic 4 Pro is shaping up to be one of the most advanced consumer drones yet. From its triple camera system and 360-degree gimbal to extended flight time and faster charging, this is a major step up from the Mavic 3 Pro. What's your take? Are these upgrades worth the price? Or is DJI pushing the cost too high? The drone community is abuzz with anticipation, fueled by a flurry of leaks and insider whispers surrounding the DJI Air 4. This isn't just another incremental upgrade. The rumors suggest a potential paradigm shift, a convergence of professional-grade features into the Air series. Imagine a drone that bridges the gap between the consumer-friendly Air line and the powerhouse Mavic series, offering unparalleled imaging capabilities and intelligent flight features. That's the promise the DJI Air 4 holds. The most compelling piece of evidence comes from the leaked prototype image, courtesy of drone authority Jasper Ellens. This single image offers a window into DJI's development process, hinting at significant design and technological advancements. The reinforced arm structure suggests a focus on durability and stability, which are crucial for capturing smooth, cinematic footage. But the real star of the show is the sensor array. The apparent inclusion of an upgraded LiDAR system, previously associated with the Mavic 4, signals a strategic shift. LiDAR technology, known for its precision in depth mapping and obstacle detection, could revolutionize the Air 4 flight capabilities. Imagine navigating complex environments with unprecedented accuracy, even in low-light conditions. This isn't just about avoiding collisions. It's about unlocking new creative possibilities, enabling pilots to capture dynamic shots with confidence. The Air 4 potential extends far beyond its physical design. Rumors point to a significant upgrade in imaging capabilities, with dual 1-inch sensors leading the charge. This would represent a major leap forward in low-light performance and dynamic range, allowing users to capture stunning visuals in a wider range of conditions. The potential inclusion of a variable aperture and a mechanical shutter further underscores DJI's commitment to delivering professional-grade image quality. But the Air 4 isn't just about capturing beautiful images. It's about intelligent flight. The rumored 360-degree lead DAR-powered obstacle avoidance system could make flying safer and more intuitive than ever before. This level of situational awareness would empower pilots to focus on their creative vision, knowing that the drone is equipped to handle even the most challenging environments. The potential sharing of technology between the Air 4 and the Mavic 4 suggests a more unified vision for DJI's drone lineup. It could mean that advanced features, once reserved for the top-tier models, are becoming more accessible to a wider audience. This democratization of technology could have a profound impact on the drone industry, empowering creators of all levels to capture stunning aerial footage. While the leaks and rumors have ignited the imagination, the question remains: when will the DJI Air 4 officially take flight? Based on DJI's typical product cycle, a late 2025 release seems the most likely scenario. This timeline would allow DJI to refine the technology and ensure that the Air 4 lives up to the hype. Pricing is another crucial factor. While the Air 3 launched at a competitive price point, the Air 4 rumored features could justify a premium price tag. If DJI delivers on its promises, the Air 4 could become the go-to drone for both enthusiasts and professionals alike. The DJI Air 4 represents more than just a new drone. It represents a potential turning point for the Air series. If the rumors hold true, the Air 4 could redefine the boundaries of what's possible in a mid-range drone. It's not just about incremental improvements. It's about a fundamental shift in technology and capability. The anticipation is palpable, and the drone community is eagerly awaiting the official unveiling of what could be a game-changing addition to DJI's lineup. The Air 4 is poised to not just fly, but to soar. The Avata's current design, while innovative, can experience instability, especially in windy conditions. DJI needs to invest in advanced aerodynamic simulations and wind tunnel testing to optimize the drone's shape and airflow. This could involve subtle changes to the prop guards, body contours, and even the internal layout of components. A more streamlined design would not only improve stability, but also reduce drag, leading to better battery efficiency and a quieter flight profile. Imagine a drone that cuts through the air with the precision of a finely tuned instrument. Furthermore, the material science behind the drone's construction should be explored, utilizing lighter, more durable composites to enhance overall performance and reduce potential damage from impacts. The jump from a 1 by 1.7-inch sensor to a 1-inch sensor is more than just a spec bump. It's a fundamental shift in image capture. We need to see a camera system that rivals the performance of dedicated cinema cameras, albeit in a compact form factor. This includes not only a larger sensor but also improved lens optics, advanced image processing algorithms, and better low-light performance. The Avata 3 should be capable of capturing 10-bit color depth for greater flexibility in post-production and, ideally, offer variable aperture control for finer adjustments of depth of field. We should also expect improved electronic image stabilization to complement the drone's physical stability, ensuring smooth, cinematic footage even in challenging flight maneuvers. While the Avata is intended for experienced pilots, improved obstacle avoidance would open up new possibilities for creative expression and make the drone more accessible to a wider audience. We're not just talking about basic obstacle detection. We need intelligent obstacle avoidance that can predict and react to potential collisions in real time. This could involve the integration of AI-powered algorithms that analyze the drone's surroundings and create a dynamic flight path to avoid obstacles. The user should have the option to customize the sensitivity and behavior of the obstacle avoidance system, allowing them to tailor it to their specific flying style and environment. The rumored O3 Plus Sync 4 Plus transmission system is a significant step forward, but we need to see more than just increased range. We need a system that offers rock-solid reliability, low latency, and high bandwidth, even in environments with heavy interference. This could involve the use of advanced frequency hopping techniques, adaptive bitrate streaming, and improved antenna design. The transmission system should also be capable of transmitting high-resolution video and telemetry data simultaneously, providing pilots with a comprehensive view of the drone's status and surroundings. While a 5-minute increase in flight time may seem modest, it can make a world of difference in the field. DJI needs to explore innovative battery technologies, such as solid-state batteries or improved lithium polymer formulations, to increase energy density and extend flight time. Furthermore, the drone's power management system should be optimized to minimize energy consumption and maximize efficiency. This could involve the use of advanced algorithms that dynamically adjust the drone's power consumption based on its flight conditions and user inputs. The April release window aligns with DJI's typical product cycle, but the exact date will depend on various factors, including production capacity and market conditions. We should expect DJI to release teaser videos and official announcements in the weeks leading up to the launch, building anticipation and generating excitement among FPV enthusiasts. Ultimately, the Avata 3's success will depend on its ability to deliver a truly immersive and empowering flying experience, pushing the boundaries of what's possible with a Sinuhook drone.